diverse. The final electoral roll for the 4 Assembly constituency of Nartiang Jowai, Raliang and Mokayao constituencies were distributed to the representatives of the political parties by West Jaintia Hill Deputy Commissioner B.S. Solia on Friday. The Deputy Commissioner informed that the final electoral roll of the 4 constituencies have been published with reference date 1st of January 2024. In accordance with this, with the registration of electoral rules 1960, and the same is available for inspection at the office of the Deputy Commissioner and designated polling station during the working hours.
Request to keep the island phone numbers when you're giving the down inform dia tunjuk
As far as Jaintia is concerned, we are one of the first two districts in the state to dispose of all the forms 6, 7 and 8, and we stand at tendency stands at 0% now regarding the other 3 forms. But yes, I still want to push further in the fact that we still need to cooperate when it comes to awareness, sweep activities from our side, from your side also as political entities, for new voters especially, as they apply and they will be getting the turn, the chance to vote, and also for them to come out to come to district office or to the other designated locations for them to learn how to operate the machines.
A national seminar on social